What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So as progress has kind of come to a halt right now on the 450 build, I'm still waiting on some crucial parts like suspension and a couple other things. I will, however, pick up progress probably tomorrow. In tomorrow's video, I will start putting on the rear subframe and a couple other parts. But today I thought we would do a little bit of work on the 110. I've been getting a lot of messages, comments, DMs, all that about the 110. Wanting more 110 content, and I have a couple other little pieces that I was going to add to this. I don't know how good they're going to look or how bad they're going to look, but you guys can give me some feedback. Obviously this thing turned out pretty rad, but I'm going to change the look of it just a tiny bit. A little disclaimer, you might see my overly swollen hand in some of the shots. I did get stung by a bee the other day. Freaking hate bees. So if you guys have any solutions to swelling from a bee sting, let me know, other than icing it and crying myself to sleep. That would be great. But yeah, we'll get started on the 110 right now. Also, if you guys ordered the bar bags, thank you for the support. I really appreciate it. These things are really cool. If you didn't, I did order some more of them. They will be back in stock on the website soon. This time I went with a little bit of different color variation. We kept it black, and then this white piece, it's like kind of like a gripper material. From the seat covers, I went with a red. So those will be on the site probably within the next week, but thank you guys if you did order them. They definitely sold out super quick, so I'm sorry I didn't order enough initially, but that shouldn't be a problem anymore. So Faster Minis sent me these plastics a while back, just an all black set. When I was riding the other Gas as a KTM, I thought it'd be cool just to kind of switch it up so I have my bike front red. But now that I'm on Gas, everything's red anyways. So I thought what would be kind of cool is to put just the back portion of these plastics on. I also got a set of Moto Cuts black and gray graphics for them. So I'm thinking like leave the front fender and the front number plate, and then everything in the back go black. Black and gray. I saw something similar to this. Axel Hodges is running it. I think he has like a green front fender and then the rest is black, so I thought we'd see how it looks. If it looks cool, we'll keep it. Let me know what you guys think at the end, and then if it looks lame, we'll go back, or we can always go all black. So let me know what your guys' thoughts are. We'll go ahead and start stripping these things down. Alright, so that was pretty easy. Just took the regular plastics off, got them all set up right here. I think what I'm going to do next is go ahead and throw the Moto Cuts graphics onto the new plastic so I can kind of move them around a little bit, and then I'll update you guys in a second when I get those things on. Alright, so we got the graphics all mounted up on the plastics. Now it's time to throw this thing on. So we'll set this on the tripod again and time lapse it. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys like the new look. I'm kind of on the fence about it. I liked it all red a lot. Maybe it'll grow on me, maybe it'll grow on you guys. Comment below, let me know what you think. We can always go all black too. I still have the front fender and the front number plate in the black set, as well as the graphics. So again, let me know. As always, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.
Aside from my soul,